revelation has come out in the Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery. First year on India Today, Rhea Chakraborty spoke to Abhishek Trimukhe, who is the DCP Bandra, who is handling Sushant Singh Rajput case. In the last year's call records that have been exclusively accessed by India Today, they showed 2 incoming calls and 2 outgoing calls to DCP Bandra. That's the big breakthrough coming in the investigation that India Today is carrying out. Remember, we're only reporting facts, not drawing up any conjectures, but this is a breakthrough revelation that is coming in. My colleague Anjana Om Kashyap is breaking this story. First year on India Today, getting us this exclusive news break and an explosive breakthrough development accessed by Anjana Om Kashyap. Anjana joins us on the phone line. Anjana, while we here at India Today are not drawing up any conjectures, we are only going by facts, doing our own probe. This is an explosive revelation. What business did Rhea Chakraborty have in being in touch with Abhishek Trimukhe, who is handling the Sushant Singh Rajput case with the DCP of Bandra? Last year's call records showing 2 incoming calls and outgoing calls as well to the DCP, Anjana.
Absolutely, and that, Chetty, is a big question that we're putting forth. We're just putting up the facts. It's for the police to actually investigate and take the case forward, because the cops will be looking into the call records as part of the ongoing investigation. But we are showing you Abhishek Trimukhe now. He is the DCP of Bandra, the very area, and he's in charge of the ongoing investigation. These are the call records of the entire year, and that has to be taken into consideration. This just sums up the incoming and the outgoing records to a particular person over the entire period of time. So there have been 5 in total, 2 outgoing, 2 incoming calls, and 1 message. So this is going to be very important. In what context was this call made? Was it to call her? Because also remember, she was called in for interrogation once. But how does this go forth here from henceforth? Because the duration of these calls, what has been done, everything is going to be under. And one must also remember that it's just these calls, but a lot of people are now switching over to WhatsApp calls also in fear of not being caught or tracked. So that is a separate story. But Abhishek Trimukhe, the DCP Bandra, who is in charge of the ongoing Sushant Singh death mystery, has been in touch with Rhea Chakraborty. Now we'll have to see the exact period in which this conversation has happened, because these are the records that tell you the.
And Anjana, just to show our viewers that we're not drawing any kind of wild conjectures as well. Rhea, if you know and if you're aware of, did she have any business with the police in the past 1 year? Was she accused of something else? Because if she was not, then this becomes a biggest breakthrough. What business did she have in being in touch with DCP Bandra, who is currently handling the Sushant Singh Rajput death case? I mean, something here doesn't add up.
Yeah, because if you remember, the relatives have been in touch with the DCP there earlier on WhatsApp when they sent a complaint. Now the DCP at that time, Mr. Dahiya, said that we cannot do anything about it. You give us a written complaint, which the family did not do. Now henceforth, what is this conversation? What are these 5 contact points, 4 calls and 1 SMS that has happened with Abhishek Trimukhe? We as of now do not know any such matter that she had with the police. At least it's not come on record. So that's going to be a little difficult to prove. Also, these records show something very interesting. Rhea call details reveal that Rhea talked up to 16 times with Mahesh Bhatt. Rhea talked with her father, Indrajit Chakraborty, 1,122 times. She talked to brother Souvik Chakraborty 886 times. She's also talked to Shruti Modi, who is the manager of Rhea Chakraborty and former business manager of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now the ED is going to be interrogating this lady as well. So these are conversations that are going to be under scrutiny as the police takes its investigation forward, Chetty.
Absolutely. Anjana, continue to stay with us right there. Anjana Om Kashyap making one of the biggest breakthrough investigative stories in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. She's accessed the call records showing how Rhea had spoken to Abhishek Trimukhe, the DCP of Bandra, who's handling the Sushant case. call records are showing 2 incoming calls, 2 outgoing calls to DCP Bandra. What business did she have being in touch with him is the question we're asking here at India Today. Sahil Joshi also joins us on this broadcast. Sahil, this is, of course, raising one too many questions now on the already existing questions that are being asked to the Mumbai police. Certain contradictory statements are coming in from the Mumbai police as well, and now they need to be answerable as to why Abhishek Trimukhe, the DCP in Bandra, was in touch with Rhea Chakraborty over the past 1 year.
There are no details specifically given in this particular list, which has been released by, I hope, by the family sources, that when Abhishek Trimukhe spoke to Rhea Chakraborty, because Rhea was called for questioning by Mumbai police and she has been questioned by Mumbai police. So obviously, Abhishek Trimukhe was in charge of the whole investigation because he is DCP from that particular zone. So Mumbai police, so obviously those details first needs to be come out, that on what date these calls were made, because those details have not been given. Only on the basis of that some particular comment can be made. These are very random calls. She has spoken to her father.
No. Sahil, these are last year's call records. Anjana has broken the story.
Exactly.
These are last year's call records. So why were these calls made?
Is there any specific date mentioned in that particular call? On which date she spoke to Abhishek Trimukhe in the past 1 year? On which date Rhea Chakraborty spoke to Abhishek Trimukhe? Abhishek Trimukhe had joined in this particular area. Before that, DCP Dahiya was there, whom OP Singh claimed that he had sent WhatsApp messages, and that should have been taken as a complaint, on which Dahiya has already said that it was a very random WhatsApp messages. He wanted he should call Rhea Chakraborty or the family members and pressurize them, which is not possible. He asked him to submit a formal complaint, which was not given by OP Singh or Sushant Singh Rajput's family. So these call data records are past 1 year records, but which date these calls were made? 2 incoming and 2 outgoing calls.
We'll get Anjana to answer those questions. We will get Anjana to answer those questions, exactly which date these were made. If we have Anjana, we can quickly take that question with Anjana as well. But if we do not have her, we'll get her back in just about a bit to answer the questions. In case, Anjana, you're listening in, do we have the exact dates when these calls were made? And of course, needless to say that these are last year's call records. Sushant Singh Rajput was very much alive at that period.
Absolutely. But Chetty, these are the entire records for the entire year, which means the exact date and time in which these conversations have happened. That's why I pointed to you before that we must remember that she was called in for interrogation by the Mumbai police. So if these calls were made by the DCP in context to calling her for the interrogation, then that has to be kept in mind.
Okay.
But there are 5 conversations in all, 4 calls and 1 SMS which have happened. And also, if you see, if an SMS is happening, it's kind of very formal, to use a message. So it could be in that context. It has to be put forth like this. This is the past 1 year record. It could be in the last month. It could be in the last month. So what he's pointing out could be very true. But the whole thing is that there are 5 contact points that have happened between Mr. Trimukhe, DCP Bandra, who's in charge of the investigation. And but how was it happening? Was it through personal phone calls that the DCP was calling someone for investigation, or what were summons served, notices sent? How was the procedure? Which was the procedure followed? That has to be taken into account.
Absolutely. That's absolutely right. Anjana and Sahil, both, I request you to stay on with us. Remember, Sahil and his team of reporters are on top of the story, getting you second-by-second updates in terms of this investigation. And Anjana Omkashya breaking these explosive details at the moment. India Today has accessed the phone call record of Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, Rhea Chakraborty, for the past 1 year. The call records are showing that Rhea dialed